Namaste to everyone and welcome to my channel Dr. Guru Kavita. Usually, whenever we attend an interview, the first question that would be asked is tell about yourself. Already, I have given a video for this question, tell about yourself. In that video, I have explained very clearly how to answer this question very effectively and in a very impressive way. Link of this video will be given in the description box. Please check the link and watch that video without fail. And now the second question that will be asked in the interview is why did you quit your previous job and what is the purpose of joining the present institution? See, this question is very tactful as this reflects the relationship we have with our previous organization, what kind of bond we share with our previous organization, what kind of experience we had in our previous organization. So we have to answer this question in a very effective way as it reflects our relationship with our previous organization. So, irrespective of the kind of experience we had with our previous organization, we have to answer this question in a very positive way. Now, let us see how to answer this question in an interview. Now, let us first focus on some of the points that we have to keep in mind while answering this question, and then later on, we will also see a sample answer for this question. So, first of all, while answering this question in an interview, it's important to focus on being honest, positive, and forward looking. So, this is the structure you can follow, and these are the points you can keep in mind while answering the question why did you quit your last job? So, the first point you have to keep in mind while answering this question is you have to be honest, but you have to be tactful. See, for example, if you have left your previous organization, maybe for your personal growth or career advancement, or maybe for a change, but you have to explain this very clearly and avoid speaking negatively about your previous employer or the organization or your previous team. The second point that you have to keep in your mind while answering this question is you have to focus on your goals. For example, you can say like this: I felt that I had reached a point where I had learned everything I could in my previous role. Hence, I was looking for new challenges and opportunities to grow professionally. And the third point you have to keep in your mind is you have to emphasize on your skills. Say, for example, if you have left your previous organization due to lack of growth or skill building, you can say something like this: I wanted to find a role where I could expand my skills and take on more responsibilities. Hence, I am quitting my previous job and joining this institution. In continuation of the question, why did you quit your last job? They may also ask, why are you joining this institution or why are you opting this institution? So, while answering this, for the first point you have to keep in your mind is you have to align with your goals. So, talk about how the present institution aligns with your career aspirations. For example, you can say that I'm excited about this opportunity because I believe your institution offers the kind of challenges and learning experiences I'm looking for. So, the second point you have to keep in mind while answering this question is you have to mention about the special aspects of the organization that appeals to you. So, you can say that I admire your institution's commitment to innovation and community involvement, and this matches with my own professional values, and hence I am very much interested to work with your organization. Or you can say hence I'm looking forward to work with your organization. And the third thing is you have to be very enthusiastic while answering this question. You have to show genuine interest and enthusiasm for the role and the institution, which makes it clear that you are eager to contribute to the growth of the organization as well as growth of yourself. Now let us see a sample answer for the question why did you quit your previous job and why are you joining the present institution? So you can say like this: I left my previous role because I had reached a point where I felt I had gained valuable experience, but I was looking for new challenges and growth opportunities. I wanted to be a part of a dynamic institution where I could continue to learn and develop my skills further. I'm excited about joining this organization because I admire its focus on innovation and commitment. and I believe I can bring my experience and passion to contribute positively to your organization and your team. So, this kind of answer reflects your honesty, your positivity, and also your focus on the future. I hope you would have got some points from this video. You would have learned something from this video. If you like this video, please like, share, and also subscribe this channel. And don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you get notification of the videos that are uploaded in my channel. So, bye for now. Take care. Namaskar. Dhanyavad.